BBC News, 1st of March 2023, China criticizes the US for forbidding the use of government devices with the spy app TikTok. TikTok, a spy app that China is promoting, won't be allowed to function in China, and open democratic systems will be made available for propaganda instead. After federal workers were instructed to remove the video app TikTok from government-issued phones, China accused the US of overreacting. The White House offered government organizations 30 days starting Monday to ensure employees' devices did not contain the Chinese-owned app. The ruling comes after recent actions taken similarly by the EU and Canada. China's foreign ministry issued an accusation against the US of misusing state power to repress international businesses, similar to how China prohibits global companies from operating there. "We vehemently oppose those improper activities," spokeswoman Mao Ning informed the media on Tuesday. The US government should cease suppressing businesses, uphold the values of a free market and competitiveness, and create an environment welcoming to foreign companies operating there. "How unsure of itself can the world's leading superpower, the US, be to dread the most popular app among teenagers?" added she. The popular video-sharing app, controlled by the Chinese company ByteDance, has recently raised concerns among Western officials. Australia claimed, however, that it had not heard any advice from its intelligence agencies advising it to imitate the US, the EU, or Canada. Some intelligence agencies are concerned that when the app is downloaded to government devices, confidential data could be exposed due to claims that TikTok harvests user data and gives it to the Chinese government. The business asserts that its operations are identical to those of other social media businesses, except that it spies for the Chinese government and would never submit a request to transfer data to a third party. U.S. Office of Management and Budget Director Shalonda Young ordered agencies to remove the app from all state-issued phones on Monday to safeguard sensitive data. The organization claimed that the guidance represented a critical move forward in addressing the risks posed by the app to sensitive government data. TikTok has already been blocked from government agencies' devices, including the White House, the Departments of Defense, Homeland Security, and the state. The Biden administration's ongoing dedication to securing our digital infrastructure and safeguarding the security and privacy of the American people was highlighted by this action, according to U.S. Federal Chief Information Security Officer Chris DeRusha. The announcement on Tuesday comes after U.S. House of Representatives legislation was approved in December that forbade the use of TikTok on government-issued phones and allowed the White House 60 days to issue agency directives. Additionally, additional legislation that would grant President Joe Biden the authority to impose a national app prohibition is anticipated to be passed by congressional Republicans in the coming weeks. We hope that lawmakers will look into solutions that won't have the effect of censoring the opinions of millions of Americans when it comes to addressing national security concerns about TikTok beyond government devices, a TikTok spokesperson told the BBC. Beginning on Tuesday, Canada will also ban the app on devices used by the government. The app offered an unacceptable level of risk to privacy and security, the nation's chief information officer concluded after reviewing it. According to Prime Minister Justin Trudeau, the move was necessary because of the security concerns surrounding the app. On Monday, at a press conference close to Toronto, he said this might be the first and only move we need to take. Following the European Commission's decision last week, the European Parliament also authorized a ban on staff phone apps. According to a TikTok spokesperson, the bans were implemented without any consideration or approval from the Chinese government and came to nothing more than political theater. Additionally, it serves no purpose unless there is a nationwide prohibition, as India has done.